Hi, my name is Darlene Messiano, real estate broker owner at Remax Titanium here in beautiful sunny Florida, in Central Florida, in a little town called Clermont, where it's hilly and beautiful, and national training centers here, lots of hospitals are here. We're a hop, skip, and a jump to the Disney and all the amusement parks. Everything is right here. We have all of the Publixes and Walgreens, all the shopping, Target, and all the restaurants that you could ever need here in this beautiful town called Clermont. This home is on an oversized lot, and it has a totally fenced in backyard and only one neighbor on one side, and the other side has the tennis courts for the community. You have a playground, you have basketball courts. It's such a cute little neighborhood, and I'm dying to show you this home. So come on in. The roof is 10 years old, 7 years old, I'm sorry, and the AC is 10 years old, and the hot water heater is 10 years old. Now here is an open floor plan. You have ceramic tile throughout, except in the bedrooms some of the bedrooms have carpeting in them. But as you enter here to this gourmet kitchen, because it's so nice and big, it's a chef's dream. You could have a nice table here, and then you also have brand new appliances. So you could just move right in with these brand new appliances. And it also has the breakfast bar, so you can put stools here, and the kids can kick it all they want, and they won't get any scuffs on it, which is beautiful. So huge breakfast bar. Huge kitchen. Okay, so here is the family room. This is an oversized family room, and then over here would be your formal dining room. And then you have this wood-burning fireplace. High ceilings, fans everywhere throughout the home, beautiful lighting throughout the home, and it's a very open feel as you enter this home. It's a split bedroom plan, so we're gonna head over to this side first. And like I said earlier, this is the other bedroom that is connected to the bathroom. You have a big window that leads out to the backyard, so you have lots of light. And then as you come this way, you have a walk-in closet, and then you have your bathroom with your tub and your shower and vanity. And also your guests could use this because it's connected, that has a door for out here. It's kind of like a Jack and Jill situation. Then over here, you have another bedroom with two closets, a nice big window, and this one does have carpeting too. And so even if they put a door there, they could kind of make this like a little in-law suite area where you can make this like a living room if they needed to, and all that kind of good stuff. And then you have a linen closet here, and the AC unit is here. Now, as you come over here, you do have French doors to go out to the back. So I want to show you the awesome backyard before we finish the house. Over here, it's all covered and screened in, and then they have these fabulous shades to hide the sun on those hot days. But this is all covered. You have a fan, humongous back screened covered lanai. And then over here is where your humongous backyard is, your oversized backyard. And you have oak trees, you have magnolia trees, and you have a beautiful little garden area here. And it's all fenced in. So if you have pets, you can definitely bring them, and they will be all fenced in. And the HOA is really good here. It's very reasonable here for the HOA. Okay, here would be the fourth bedroom, or you can use it as an office like our cellars are. So it's a double door entry, and you have a big, beautiful window here, and then you have your bathroom here, and then also connects to the primary bathroom. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a peek over here and see this beautiful, huge two-car garage. As you can see, and attic space, and cabinets, and the washer and dryer do convey. Now this is a pocket door here, but look at this primary bathtub. It is huge. And it's a jacuzzi tub. And then you have your step-in shower, your vanity, and then goes into the other primary bedroom. This is a much bigger primary bedroom. And you have a nice big window with the arch window tops. You always have ceiling fans throughout the whole home. And then here is where you have a big walk-in closet, and then you also have a built-in closet on the other side. Great. Again, my name is Darlene Misiano, real estate broker owner at Remax Titanium. This house is easy to show. We'll be doing open houses also, but please come by and see this beauty. Thank you so much and you have an amazing day.